are you? I'm Grazi. Today I'm going to teach you to make a recipe, the papaya bowl. You will need 2 papayas, can be 1 papaya if you want. You are going to need mangoes, can be mangoes, but can be any other fruit if you want. And here is for us to decorate. I chose strawberries, grapes, ground sesame seeds, ground almonds, and goji berry. And you will need a spoon. First thing you need to do is for you to take the little seeds out of the papaya. Then you need to chop the mangoes. And then you put the mangoes in the papaya. And then you put here a little bit more. Yes. And you can do this one too. Look, I love papaya. Then you will put a little bit of almonds here, look, for us to decorate. Look, you can use any other nut. You can use cashew, you can use almond like me, you can use Brazil nut. And then, now you are going to take the grapes. You are going to put like this, look. You can imagine that these are the people in the boat. The people in the boat. And then you put one here too, another one here, and another one here. And then you put a little bit of sesame seeds. Just don't put a lot. Now I'm going to put the goji berry. Look, I'm going to put the goji berry here. Oh. Goji berry wants to fall. You can use any kind of fruit that you want. And then, for us to decorate, I'm going to put strawberries that I love. Let me put one here. This is Jesus' disciples, and this is Jesus. Let's imagine. Peter, John. And then, let's put one here. And then one here. Then another one here. And then the last one here. It's ready! Looks so beautiful. I'm gonna have it for dinner. I think you should try.